Difference between tax and cess. 1. Definition. Tax. Tax is a compulsory financial charge imposed by the government on individuals or entities to fund public expenditures. It is a key source of government revenue and is levied based on various criteria such as income, profits, consumption, or property ownership. Cess, short for cessation, refers to a specific type of tax imposed for a particular purpose. It is levied over and above existing taxes and is earmarked for a specific expenditure, such as education, healthcare, or infrastructure development. 2. Purpose. Taxes serve as the primary source of revenue for the government and are utilized to finance public goods and services, social welfare programs, infrastructure development, defense, etc. Cesses are imposed with a specific objective in mind, such as funding a particular project, addressing a specific issue, or financing a dedicated fund. They are often temporary and targeted towards specific sectors or activities. 3. Allocation. Taxes collected by the government are usually allocated to various expenditures based on the government's budgetary priorities. The allocation may vary from year to year depending on economic conditions and policy objectives. Cess collections are typically ring-fenced and used exclusively for the designated purpose. Governments establish separate funds or accounts to manage cess collections and ensure they are utilized only for the intended purpose. 4. Authority to impose tax. The authority to impose taxes rests with the legislative body of a country, such as Parliament or Congress. Taxes are enacted through the passage of tax legislation. Cesses are also imposed through legislative action, but they are usually introduced as separate bills or amendments targeting specific objectives or sectors. 5. Duration and flexibility. Taxes are permanent sources of revenue for the government and are levied on an ongoing basis. Changes to tax rates or structures require legislative approval. Cesses may be temporary in nature, with a predetermined duration or until the specific purpose is achieved. They offer governments flexibility in addressing urgent needs or funding short-term projects without permanently altering the tax structure. 6. Examples. Examples of taxes include income tax, corporate tax, value-added tax, VAT, sales tax, property tax, etc. Examples of cess include education cess, Swachh Bharat cess, Krishi Kalyan cess in India, which are levied to support education, cleanliness initiatives, and agricultural development, respectively.